Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Today video Moonriver MOVR coin. Basic information, important technical analysis, price, prediction, price forecast, quick update. Moonriver last 24-hour time after recording this video. Good pumping, 20% price increase jump. Current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin, long-term trend zone. RSI indicator overbought position. Price will increase, rise. RSI indicator overbought position. Price will increase, rise. Moonriver last 1 month performance currently 53% performance. 16 days positive movement last 1 month. Moonriver price volatility fluctuation 7%. 7% high volatility last 1 month. Fear and greed index 70. 24-hour trading volume 280 million, market cap 103 million, market dominance 0.001%. Last 24-hour trading volume increase 4,000% before that. Last 24-hour Moonriver trading volume increase 4,000% before that. Moonriver highest price, high second 40 USD 30 cents. 40 USD 30 cents, highest price, high second. Current circulating supply 9 million MOVR, out of supply 11 million MOVR. Current early supply inflation rate 6%. It means 500,000 MOVR created last 1 year. Early supply inflation rate 6%. It means 500,000 MOVR created last 1 year. Last 1 year price increase of 100%. Against Bitcoin price increase of 1%. Moonriver 27 cryptocurrency exchange listed. 37 pairs, Binance listed coin trading Binance, Future listed coin, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX, Gate.io, Mexi, top famous cryptocurrency exchange listed. Coming days, more exchanges listing. Moonriver price precious terminal bullish. 25 technical analysis indicator, signaling bullish by signals, and 5 signaling bearish signal currently bullish. Currently RSI indicator, relative strength index momentum value around 70-75 indicates Moonriver coin market overbought position. Price will increase, rise. RSI indicator around 70-75 overbought position currently. Currently trading about 200 SMA EMA bullish. Long-term trending zone, stable coin, sign of stability. Currently trading above. Currently 50 SMA EMA bullish. Short-term trending zone. Currently daily SMA EMA 21.1053 bullish. It means Moonriver MOVR coin market recent trending. Weekly SMA simple moving average 150.21 bullish. Weekly EM exponential moving average 121 bullish. 50-day overall technical indicator sentiment Moonriver coin market bullish. Support level entry points 10.15 USD, 7.35 USD, and strongest support level entry point 6.15 USD. Resistance levels 12.50 USD. 15.75 USD and 19.35 USD resistance levels. Based on Moonriver MOVR coin forecast, current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin, overbought position, RSI indicator overbought position, price will increase, rise. Coming session, coming days, price will increase, rise. Best time, exact time investment by entry trade, hold profitable. New base by entry trade point 12.50 USD. 12.50 USD new base by entry trade point, hold, mid-term, short-term profitable. Moonriver MOVR coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.